Right now we got a Hallis sticker on the back. He's all set.
Come on, Pat, you can do it!
Pat's nervous. No one do it. I was say, why?
I wasn't going to take Nick's spot. It's his dream to be out there.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Nick is in the truck.
No job.
Oh, I thought he was just sitting in the
He's
back.
just living his dream right now. Pat should get this truck.
Yeah, I
It's
think
that white
so.
one he's not going to win anything.
Yeah, right.
Are you yelling for him? Come on, Uncle Pat!
All right, track officials, are you ready? Watch your lights, guys.
Kind of broken.
Whoa! All right, we may have some broken parts here. All right, now what's your name?
Giovanni.
All right, Giovanni, did you sign up for this class?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the guy who signed up for this class. He's here to take the $500 from Hallis Performance. I got an F-350. What have you done to this thing?
Just says a TS Performance chip.
TS Performance chip on there. Got her jacked up nice. And he's one run up here. We're gonna